July 3, napadaan tayo sa Newtown Plaza Hotel, Leonard Wood Road at sakto may orientation ng mga exhibitors ng Bridal Expo Baguio 2025. Pasok tayo para makausap natin ang mga who's who pagdating sa wedding industry dito sa Baguio.
For the upcoming Bridal Expo Baguio 2025, it is our 5th staging. This is the 5th edition of Bridal Expo Baguio, organized by Field Trade Exhibits in partnership with us for the shows and events the Stanley Image Reinvented, led by me, and of course our partner here, the venue, the Newtown Plaza Hotel Group.
Bridal Expo Baguio 2025 will jumpstart July 11 hanggang July 13. Ang mga exhibitors sa catering, coordination at photo and video at marami pang iba are all excited dahil malapit na naman ang wedding season at pabonggahan na naman pagdating sa kasalan.
Yes, and we're very happy because the number of participants last year almost doubled this year. So, padami ng padami this year, and we're very thankful because of their support. So, this is not really a competition. Kasi imagine, not only Newtown Plaza Hotel, ang daming mga hotels na mag-a-attend.
Baguio has always been one of the best places as wedding destination dahil dito pwede kang mag-coat and tie without breaking a sweat.
You can dress very well because of the weather. Is it true?
Yes, that's right. It's stress-free. It's relaxing here. The environment here and the climate here is cool, and that makes you less stressed when it comes to preparation.
Natanong din natin kung ang mga Gen Zs at Millennials hindi very picky sa preparation dahil sila na ang mga next to get married.
It's easier to have a client nowadays, especially sa mga gusto nila kasi they are precise, they know what they want, they have example pegs, so dadating na lang sila sa amin, ito yung gusto namin, ito yung kailangan namin, so it's easier for us actually nowadays, lalo na may mga technologies tayo like Google or Facebook, Instagram, lahat yun may peg, so mas easier for us to do the events mo.
Of course, our Q&A won't end without talking to one of the prettiest event supplier and extraordinaire sa kasalan dito sa Baguio. Walang iba, Sheila May Gomez.
Today is the orientation of bridal fair that's gonna be happening on July 11 to 13. Dito lang po yan sa Newtown. And as you can see, marami pong mga iba't ibang suppliers ngayon dito for the orientation. Siyempre, kailangan pong ma-orient ang bawat supplier sa rules and regulation for the bridal fair.
And now, time to wrap up and see you all here at the Wedding Expo July 11 to 13. See you at the Bridal Expo Baguio, where your dream celebration begins. Emil Peredo, umaarangkada dito sa Baguio at Serbisyo TV.